This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your session. Save any open files and close apps so accidental keystrokes don't disrupt work. Once done, remove the Microsoft keyboard's batteries or pull the USB receiver out of the port. This severs the physical connection. If it's a Bluetooth keyboard, go to Settings, open Bluetooth, and locate the device to prepare for unpairing. Make sure to keep the keyboard nearby so you can confirm LED status or power switches as we continue to the next steps. Next, unpair the keyboard from your operating system. In Bluetooth settings, choose Remove or Forget and confirm the action. Then, open Device Manager to fully detach the driver layer. Expand keyboards and human interface devices to locate any Microsoft entries. Right-click each relevant device and select Uninstall. If prompted, check the box to delete driver software for the device to prevent automatic reinstall. Once done, reboot the computer so the OS clears cached device. After uninstalling, restart your computer to complete removal and force the system to rebuild device lists. When your system is back, confirm the keyboard is gone by checking Settings Bluetooth or Devices and Device Manager for any remaining Microsoft entries. If the keyboard still appears or reinstalls automatically, disable automatic driver installation in System Properties, reinstall the correct driver manually, or use Device Manager to block the device. If problems persist, try removing stored Bluetooth pairings on the PC and the keyboard itself, then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.